Hi guys, let's get back into trig functions. General solution, of course. This is the numerical. Now, whenever you are sorting out this type of numerical, you have got to have certain plans. Alright. Now, what are those plans? And before having those plans, you should also have implements for those plans. And that's what? That's the formula. Now, we know cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now, if I write sin A minus B, what would that formula be? That formula would be cos A sin B minus sin A cos B. Alright. Now see, an easiest technique to keep these formula in mind. In case of cos, what happens is you have both cos cos, sin sin. So the sign would be positive. Whereas in case of sin A minus B, this is cross, cross. So this sign remains the same. So if it is crossed, the sign remains the same. Crossed in the sense I mean same, cross, cos, sin, cos. Alright, so in that case it would be minus, just a way to keep in mind, okay? It may be sensible, non-sensible, but the way to keep in mind, okay? So alright, so here we are not very, this was just to give you an idea about how to keep this formula in mind. Alright, okay, now we are not concerned with this formula right now, because see, our mission is what? Our mission is to get this is equal to this. Fine. Keep that aside for a while. And also, we cos theta is equal to cos alpha is one thing, and general solution would be this. So this is what we have got to apply. And then, in order to get this format, now see, we already have cos theta over here. We have sin theta over here. So we have this and this over here. Alright, we have got to have something which would give cos A and sin A. Mind you, A, that degree which has same value. Alright, okay, when we say that has same value, now if I take that degree and cos and that degree and sin should have the same value. Alright, let's go back there. Don't we find it over here? Whether it be cos 45, it is 1 by root 2, and it be sin 45, it is 1 by root 2. So that's our solution. So what do? So we divide throughout by root 2. We divide throughout by root 2. So it becomes 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Now, this was formula for what? Cos A minus B. So on substitution of 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta is equal to 1 by root 2. That's what we get. Alright. Now we also have got to put it in terms of cos, right? So it would be, we can jolly well put it as cos pi by 4 cos theta plus sin pi by 4, since it has the same value and we are interested in getting this formula, I'll tell you why. And sin theta is equal to cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4. Why? Because I'm going to get formula for cos. Okay? Alright. So this part we can write it as cos theta minus pi by 4. Alright. Which is also equal to cos pi by 4. Now we know cos theta is equal to cos alpha. So if it is cos alpha, then we can write theta is equal to this. So that's what we are doing here. So theta minus pi by 4 would be equal to this, that is 2n pi plus minus alpha. Alright, now we want to tackle this. Now alpha was what? Pi by 4. So this would be, instead of alpha, I would be writing here pi by 4. Okay, So now I want to get value for theta. So theta is equal to 2n pi. Let's take plus first, plus pi by 4. This I'll take it there. So this becomes plus pi by 4, and the other value would be theta is equal to 2n pi. I'll take minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So let's calculate this. Pi by 4, 2 pi by 4. So pi by 4 is 2 pi by 4. So it becomes pi by 2, right? 2 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, right? Pi by 4, 2 pi by 4. So 2 gets cancelled. So it becomes pi by 2. So this becomes equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2, and this gets cancelled, right? So this becomes 2n pi. Alright, we can write in this format. So we will have two values. We would have this value and this value, as our answer could be this or this. Alright, so theta is equal to 2n pi, or theta is equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. Okay, so that's what is our solution. Obviously we also have got to write this, that is for n belongs to integer. Alright, so this is our solution. Okay. So guys, I have been always telling that please keep on by writing formulae. Okay, it's very much essential for you to know formulae. That's one thing. Every day you have got to practice at least 1 hour numericals, maths numericals. Alright, that also goes with physics, chemistry, numericals. But maths regularly you have got to practice 1 hour. And please don't take it chapter wise. What you do is do few numericals from this chapter, few from that chapter, few from that chapter. So that gives you practice of actually appearing for paper. Now in paper you don't have, in your examinations you don't have one chapter, right? You have got series of chapters, questions compiled together. So while you're practicing, practice it that way. You do differentiation, you do integration, you do trigonometric functions and matrices and all those plan in that 1 hour. That today you are going to do these 3 or 4 chapters in that 1 hour, and next day you would skip those chapters and carry on. So if you practice this way, it really does help you to be prepared for your exam, whether it be competitive exam or it be board. Alright, so please by heart all the formulae, because basically you are finding maths is just formulae. You know formulae, and keep practicing with those formulae, with those chapters. Alright, you would find that you would score the topmost score in maths. Alright, keep doing. Alright, all the best.